got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, and welcome back to another video. Well, today's video is inspired by Stephen Graham. And if you do not know who he is, he's basically a real estate guru / investing guru. Anything involving finance, real estate, or money, he is your guy. And as of recently, he made a video talking about multiple ways to start up a passive income using $1,000. However, there is one thing that's a problem. And that is, not everyone has $1,000 to go ahead and try to invest their money into something. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you my top 3 ways, or my top 3 passive income sources that you could use to get started with it today using little to no money, or a principal that's lower than $1,000. Okay. The first thing on this list, which is my personal favorite, is dividend growth investing. Okay. And a dividend growth investment strategy is the act of investing for dividend income and capital appreciation. The goal is to seek out businesses that have a strong track record of rewarding shareholders through dividend payments. Basically, what this means is pretty simple. Not only are you going to look for stocks that are going to pay you through dividend, and they could pay you through dividends either 1 time a year, 2 times a year, or 4 times a year, which is quarterly. Not only are you looking for that, you're also looking to see if over the course of a period of time, if their trend is going upwards, okay? Meaning, let's say for over the past year, let's see how much they've gained. Let's see how much the stock has gained. Let's see the trend. Let's see how much it dips for how long, and then how much it's going to bounce back up and go even higher. So once you tackle this and once you find those stocks, this is pretty easy and pretty simple. Lots of these stocks you can find that vary between, $20 to $50, $60, $70 for one share. Okay, meaning that you don't need a lot of money to buy a few shares into these different types of companies. So let's say you have $500 to go ahead and start investing. You could go ahead and start investing in the companies that not only pay a high dividend yield, but they also have a trend upwards. So you're going to be getting 2 sources of income and maximizing your potential for this passive income source. If you're interested in getting started, there is a link down below to my Robinhood referral code. Robinhood is a brokerage app that is perfect for just investing in general, whether you want to day trade, whether you want to invest through dividends, cryptocurrency, whatever it is that you're interested in investing in, it's perfect. By using this code, you will get a free stock, and it could vary up to getting a free Apple stock, meaning that you just gain up to $200. But through this app, you could go ahead and start investing through dividend stocks. And now the second thing on this list is real estate investment trust, or REIT. So a REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. Modeled after mutual funds, REITs provide all investors the chance to own valuable real estate, present the opportunity to access dividend-based income and total returns, and it helps communities grow and thrive and revitalize. So basically what this is saying, let's say that you're not really a fan of real estate, like looking at properties, trying to get a good deal on it, and buying the properties, remodeling it, fixing it up, and then leasing it out to people to earn your passive income that way. You could go ahead and invest your money into a company that hires people, that has people working for them that do this for a living. So realtors that go out and they already know what to do. So all you're doing is like, look, I know you know what to do, let me go help you out, and just pay me a little bit of some of that, just pay me some of that money back. So they're out there doing the work, you've invested your money with them, and because of that, they're going to pay you back in a dividend, and you're going to get some other type of returns. And it's good. It's a good source. You don't have to put in too much money. Again, you could put in like $500, $300, and you're still going to reap some rewards. However, with both of these 2 ways, the more money that you put in, the more money that you're going to get out. Meaning that, yes, this is a passive income source, but it's not a passive income source that's going to really get you to where you want to be until you put in more money. However, you can get started with a really, really low amount of money and still reap some type of reward. Okay, now for the third thing, it is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you could do it through Amazon or you could do it through eBay. These are both of these are like the top two sources of affiliate marketing. If you do not know what affiliate marketing is, just think about a car dealership. Let's say I'm a car dealer and I'm trying to sell you this car. Okay, I told you everything about it and I finally got you on board about it. You sell the car, I sell you the car and you pay. I get some of that commission because I'm the one who sold the car, and the rest of the commission goes to the person who made the car or the company. And that's basically just like this. Like for me personally, I use gear whenever I record my videos. I have a camera, ring light, and a tripod. And let's say that I'm interested in sharing that with someone. Let's say you guys are curious. Hey Chris, what do you use to record your videos? I'm like, you know what? How about I just do this? There's a link down below. Y'all go ahead and click it, and you can see all the stuff that I currently use to record my videos. So you're just like, man, I really want to buy these. The person uses your specific link and they make a purchase, you're going to get some of that commission back to yourself, and then the rest will obviously go to the Amazon or eBay. But for me, I feel like this is a really good way, especially if you have like a big following. Let's say you have a blog, you run your own website, or you have, a YouTube channel. You could go ahead and just throw these in the description box if someone's interested in, making a purchase, so they can go ahead and use these products for themselves. You'll reap some reward, because not only did you help them out by showing them, you're also helping them out by letting them know how to, get it and if it works or not. So, and this one is probably like, it might top the first one, because you literally don't need any money to start this up. All you need to do is go ahead and sign up. Signing up is free, and you go ahead and just start using the links for whatever products you want to use, whether it's a camera, whether it's like a game, whatever the case may be, you could go ahead and start promoting that. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you go ahead and leave a like on this video, and make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9. Undercover.